Hello, I am Satya Karki. Welcome to my channel. In this course, we will learn about Power Apps and Power Automate. Here is our course outline. Firstly, we will begin with introduction, then move for lab or demonstration. In lab, we will create SharePoint list and then we will build applications from that list using Power Apps. At last, we will automate process using Power Automate. In this part of video, we will go for brief introduction. However, next part we will move for demo. Let's begin with introduction. Power Apps and Power Automate belongs to Microsoft Power Platform. The Power Platform is an collective term for three Microsoft products: Power BI, Power Apps, and Power Automate. By the use of Power Apps and Automate, we can create applications, workflows, and custom-based applications to streamline processes. It helps us to automate business processes. Power Apps and Power Automate solve business challenges with low-code tools for any organizations. We can create rich, interactive forms as well as rapidly develop applications for use across devices. Additionally, we can build low-code or no-code custom applications. Now let's go for the brief introduction of Power Apps. Power Apps is an approach to build custom applications quickly without any development knowledge. Using Microsoft Power Apps, we can develop mobile-friendly applications without code knowledge within short time and reduce stress on developers or IT teams. Applications built from Power Apps can connect data to and from business applications, for example, Dynamics 365, Office 365, and also third-party applications. Now let's go for the brief introduction of Power Automate. Power Automate is formerly known as Microsoft Flow. It allows us to create automated workflows between Microsoft services or third-party applications. It consists of pre-built automation templates for common automation process. Its automation process can connect various applications such as SharePoint, Outlook, Dynamics 365, or non-Microsoft applications like Twitter, Asana, Gmail, Mailchimp, etc. We can set up triggers, alerts, automated emails, push notifications, and much more without coding within minutes. In short, it saves time, reduces human errors, and handles streamlined processes. Now let's go for the brief introduction of Power BI. Power BI is a data analytics tool which allows us to connect to data sources, visualize data, and helps to gain business intelligence. It has capability to connect with on-premises data sources as well as Microsoft and third-party cloud services. Power BI manipulates simple to complex data and graphically visualize data in the form of charts, dashboards, maps, and many more forms which provides user clear insights. That's all for the brief introduction of Microsoft Power Platform. In next part, we will start with demonstration. Thank you for watching this video. For more update, please subscribe to our channel.